let us start next chapter, chapter number 4, practical geometry. So this is just figure out the quadrilateral. Okay, so nothing is there, some measurements are given in the questions, you have to draw the required quadrilateral. Use scale, pencil, compass, everything. Do not draw by using pen. By using proper measurement, you should draw all the figures. Before that, I am giving you, for every picture you have to maintain step by step procedure. Okay, some examples are given in the textbook, you can refer here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and continuing like this. Okay, so you should read all these steps. For first question I will give you the steps. For second question onwards, you have to maintain the steps just like this, and make sure that all the questions you should write the steps. Without writing steps, I cannot accept any answers. And the measurements and drawing should be proper. Okay, do not draw by using pen. It should be very needful. Okay, so let us start the next exercise 4.1. First question. So before drawing the figure, for every question you have to make a rough figure first. Okay, I will tell you how can you draw a rough figure. So let us start first question. Question number, first part. We have to draw quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and the given measurements are AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So by using these measurements, we can draw a rough figure. First, AB, I am drawing AB here. AB 4.5 centimeter, correct? And BC, so starting from BC, we can draw 5.5 centimeter. This is C. Next, CD. So next point is D. I am drawing D here. CD is equal to 4 centimeter, right? 4 centimeter. AD, starting from A to D. This is the required one. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. AC, this diagonal. AC, which is equal to 7 centimeter. These are the measurements which is given in the question. So by using all these values, first you should figure out a rough figure. Next, we have to take scale and pencil. Then first we can draw a triangle like this, A, B, C. I am drawing the triangle here. A, B, C. A, B, C. What is AB? 4.5. Here BC 5.5 and AC 7 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So by using all these measurements, first I am drawing the lines A, B, C. Okay, after that we can draw the point D, then join AD and CD, you will get the required quadrilateral. So now I am showing you how to draw this triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, so let us draw first AB, that is 4.5 centimeter. I am taking, this is 0, this is 4.5. Hope all of you know how to mark this point. Okay, so from 0 to 4.5 I mark a line, that is I am mentioned it as A, B. Marked it as 4.5 centimeter. Next, from B to C the length is 5.5. So I am taking here 5.5 by using compass. I am taking 5.5 here. Check here, from 0 to 5.5 I am taking the length. Okay, 0 to 5.5, this is the required length. So by pointing B, by making B as center, I am drawing an arc like this, and this length is BC 5.5. Next I am taking the length of AC 7 centimeter. So in the same way I am taking 7 centimeter on the compass, by using scale, making it as 7. Okay, this is 7. So by pointing A to C is 7. So by taking A as center, I am marking another arc. So now this meeting point we can mark it as C, joining these two lines AC and BC. Now we got the required triangle ABC. This is 7 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, from C to D, the distance is equal to what? 4 centimeter. So I am taking 4 centimeter in the compass, just like this. 4 and 0. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. So from C to D the length is 4. So making C as center, I am drawing an arc here. Understood? Next, from A to D the length is equal to 6. Okay, from A to D the length is equal to 6. So I am taking 6 centimeter by using compass, 6 and 0. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay, and from A to D, so you can make A as center and draw an arc here, and this arc should cut the previous arc. This meeting point you can mark it as D, and from D to A you can join line here, and from C to D you can join another line here. Now you got the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. AB is equal to 4.5, BC is equal to, first condition satisfied, BC is equal to 5.5, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. All these conditions are satisfied. So we made the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This is the required quadrilateral. Okay. So before drawing this figure, first draw the rough figure, then step by steps you should write it in the words. Okay, I will share you the steps. After that, draw the fair figure.